So over here you can see that I have a simple drawing, and let's say I want to color this drawing out. So I can color this out manually, but if you are sure of filling it out with a single color, which in most cases when you are making a storyboard that is the case, what you can simply do is you can generate out something called automat. So to do that, you can select the layer, and the layer should be a vector layer right here. It won't work on raster layer. So I'm just going to go around, select the layer right here, go around onto layer, and over here you can see generate automat is an option. Once you select this out, you can go around and select out how much you want to fill this. So you can select out the radius. So let's say I'm just going to keep it 100. And if it doesn't work, you can buff up the numbers as well. So over here in matte color, you can select current right here, which takes the reference of the drawing itself. But I'm just going to go to custom and select out my own color. So I'm going to go on to custom and select yellow or maybe red right here. So I'm just going to select that out, and you also have an option to copy stroke to the destination, but I'm going to keep that as it is, but I'm going to keep on checking the create matte on new layer option right here. So once that is done, you can press OK, and a new layer matte is created, as you can see right here. And then you can see that the color is there. So now the entire drawing has been colored out right here. And the matte itself is on a separate layer, as you can see right here. So if I were to enable this, then you can see that the strokes are on a different layer, and this is the matte on a separate layer. So that is how you can generate automat to fill in colors directly and easily inside of Toon Boom Storyboard Pro. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.